Now we are introducing about miniMAX learning management system cloud-based application which has been designed to transform the school business daily procedure. Some benefits of miniMAX cloud-based learning management system for corporate training, which is cost-effective, mobile responsive design, fully secured, faster development, fully customized and scalable, and centralized platform. miniMAX learning management system has four panel. Number one, administrators. Number two, teachers. Number three, students. Number four, parents. First of all, I will introduce administrator panel. Admin panel. The essence of a school management system to an educational institution cannot be overemphasized. The use of our web cloud-based ERP school management system for admin has all important features and also flexible. Built with the latest technology tools which is 100% safer. Now comes to admin panel dashboard. As you can see here, a login screen of admin panel. Now simply type your credential, email and password and then login. Now I am introducing admin panel. Here you can see the admin dashboard screen. This is admin dashboard page. Here you can see the number of students, number of teachers, number of parents, number of attendance, and you can also see the specific graph for a specific field. Next, click student. If I am click the student, then three options are open: admit student, admit bulk student, or student information. If I am click the admit student, then admin has proper rights to save the specific student by filling all important data fields included name, parents, class, section, role, birthday, gender, address, phone, email, password, dormitory, transport, route, and image. After fill the data, you can click the add student button. You have to add bulk amount student by this amazing option. Now you can create student feed data on Excel format and upload the student feeds on here by click on the choose file. You can also download the data and select the specific class data, and you can also upload and import the data. Next, in student information, if I click student information, then classes are open. If I select one class, here you can see the student information where we added roll number, photo, name, address, email, and action applied. You can also search by filter option. Here you can add admission student data. We have added a admission form. Here field include the name, parents, email, section, roll number, birthday, and gender. Then close it. Here admin can see and manage the teacher staff status table contain photo, email, name, and option. You can also search by filter. Admin can access and see the parents detail over here included name, email, phone, profession, and option. Admin can search by filter option, and admin can add their entry on the top right button. Admin can also access to parents detail. Here you can add new parents detail, their name, email, password, phone, address, and profession, and then save with the entry. Here admin can see the class detail that they will contain class name. If I click the manage classes, then class name, numeric name, teacher, option, and you can also search by filter. Then you go to add class. Now here you can manage the class panel, include name, numeric name, and teacher section. Then click the add class. Next, go to subject option detail. In class wise, if I am click the class metric, then table contain class, subject name, teacher, option. You can also use the search by the filter field. Admin can manage subject over here. For example, biology, take which teacher. Field contain name, class, and teacher section. Then add the subject and click to the add subject button. Next, class routine manage over here by selection of class, subject, day, start time, and ending time, and add the routine. Then click the add routine button. Now admin can manage the daily attendance over here. Table contain select date, selection of months, selection of year, select of class, and we have added manage attendance button. You can also search by filter option. Admin can see the status of exam, then click the exam. Options are given below: exam days, exam grade, manage marks, send marks by SMS tabular sheet. If admin want to add any specific exam or any specific date, then this is right panel. Table contain exam name, date, any comment and option. You can also search by the filter option. If admin can access on the manage examination, here admin can add a specific exam by their name, date and comment, then click on the button of the exam. Here we have add the grade assigned to the student, included grade name, grade point, marks, form, marks up to, comment and option. You can also search by the filter option. Admin can add grade over here. Table contain name, grade point, marks form, marks up to and any comment, then add grade by click on the button. Now next here you can see the manage marks by select exam, select class, select subject and click on the marks button. We have added to SMS solution to the parents and the students. Now you can send the status of exam by the cell phone. Table contains selection of exams, selection of class, selection of receivers and add button the send marks via SMS to the sending SMS. Next, tabular sheet. Here you can see honorable student. You can select class, exam and view sheet by click on the button. Next, tabular sheet for the honorable student. You can select the class, exam and view the sheet by click on button. Here admin can manage the payment voucher of a specific student. Payment invoice contain field of class, student, from which class, title, description and date, and payment information included total, payment status and pay method. Then click on the add invoice button. Here you can create student payment. Table contain class, title, description, total, payment status, pay method and date. Then click on the add invoice button. Here admin can see or manage the student payment. Table contain student name, title, total fees paid, date and option, and you can also search by filter. Here is a panel of student payment where admin can view the specific student payment detail. The table contains title, description, pay method, amount, date and view in the invoice button. Search filter included. School expenses is the big responsibility. Here we added a school expenses panel, included title, category, method, amount and date. Add entry to the top, add new expenses button. Here is a detail expenses panel where you can see the number of expenses like teacher salary, classroom expenses, exam accessories, sundry expenses and all the music expenses. Can find the status here. Now add expenses name and add the expenses category by adding. Just click on the button. Now library option. Here admin can see the library book issuance and bought here from manage library book panel. Here we table containing book name, author, description, price, class, status and added search filter on the panel. Here you can add specific book for the library. Admin can add book name, author, description, price, class, status and click on the add book button. You can see transport detail over here. Transport is for included teachers, staff and students. Table contain route name, number of vehicles, description, route fare and option. Also added search filter, and if you add the transport details you can type the name, vehicles, description and route fare and click the add transport button. Here in dormitory, admin can see the hostel room management details, that how many number of rooms, description, overall status. If add dormitory, then click the add dormitory and type the name, room, description and click the add dormitory button. Admin can view the notice board entry over here, that what is the current scenario, any holiday or any special things. Table contain title, notice, date and option. Added search filter is also available. If you add the notice, then click the add notice and type the title, notice, date and send message, yes or no, and click add new notice. Admin can send and receive private message for the school over here. Send message to teachers, student, parents and if I click the setting option, three options are available: general setting, SMS setting and admin setting. General setting is the basically admin can just manage their system over here. It includes the system name, system title, address, phone, email, currency, system email, language, text alignment, and update, product detail, any school logo, uploading, and more. Now comes to SMS setting. SMS setting is from here. It master setting from SMS selection for network services and its detail. Next option, language setting. Admin can see the current language and wish to add more phrases and languages. Last, account setting. Admin can manage their own profile over here. It included name, email, image, upload option, and also added current password change option. Save their details by click on update profile. Now next, teacher panel. Our teacher panel, we have added in our suite almost everything that teacher has to see, communicate with the admin section and their children parents directly from the panel. It has all essential module which teacher staff has to see, which include their class schedules and student attendance. miniMAX school management system also provide teacher panel. At this teacher dashboard screen, where teacher can see the status of the number of students, number of parents, number of total attendance. We have also added the calendar of view. Teacher can add the student when a student get the admission. Fill the whole form, and the form contains some of essential field like name, parents, class, section, role, birthday, gender, address, phone, email, password, and image of the specific student, and last add the student click button. Now come to next panel for student information. As a class wise, teacher has to write to see the student information. On the screen you can see the whole student information. Here teacher can see the student roll number, photo, name, address, email, and option for take an action. We have added search filter for a specific term. Teacher has to see their information screen on coordinator staff. At here teacher the list page. Teacher can view the list of the staff by their name and email address with the search filter option. Teacher can see the subject status over here as a class wise. Here it's subject management panel where teaching staff view the class, subject name, teacher name, and option by action. Click. We also added the search filter on it. Teacher has acknowledged that which class duration time. Here the teacher class routine page, we have put the number of days and subject of a specific teacher has to perform the number of working day. Now here teacher staff can add a study material. Any study material you should assign by here. It's study page, and here as teacher should assign the study material by click on the top right button. And table contain date, title, description, class, and download material. Here teacher can manage student daily attendance tasks. We have added button manage to attendance table, row and column. It contain selection of dates, selection of months, selection of year, and select of class, and click the manage attendance. Student mark is the most important thing on this panel. Here teacher should assign marks on this page. Select of a specific exam, select of a specific class, and select of a specific subject, and manage the marks. Teacher can view which student bought and issue what sort of book. Its library section. Table contain book name, author name, description, price of book, which class, and added of status of book. We have also added search filter on specific terms. Teacher can view the student transport detail, which vehicle are currently on active mode. We have added table contain route name, number of vehicle, description, route form. We have also added search filter. Our expert developer team implement the Noticeboard setup now. Noticeboard teacher can see the daily or weekly or monthly school notice here, any special announcement or any specific holiday notice. A private message center is allowed. Now teacher staff can send or receive private messages from here, sent by the parents, students, or school management. And last one, teacher can manage their profile at teacher profile panel. Here they can add a name, email ID, upload photograph and change your current password conditional. Finally click on update profile button and save the data. If you have any query, then please feel free to contact us.